Hello everyone, I'm a food trailer factory, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to choose the best food truck for your budget and needs. If you're thinking about starting a mobile food business or expanding your existing one, choosing the right food truck is crucial. Here are a few things you need to consider. 1. Budget. First, you need to determine your budget. Food trucks can range in price from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the size, features, and brand. When setting your budget, consider the type of food you'll be serving, your expected revenue, and your investment capacity. 2. Needs. Next, you need to identify your specific needs. What kind of food truck do you want to operate? What type of food will you be selling? How much space do you need? What equipment and amenities do you require? Based on your unique needs, select the food truck that best suits you. 3. Quality. The quality of your food truck is paramount. A well-built food truck is not only durable but also safe and reliable. When choosing a food truck, carefully inspect the construction, materials, and brand. Opt for a reputable food truck manufacturer and ask for a quality warranty. 4. Service. After-sales service is also important. When purchasing a food truck, find out what kind of the manufacturer or dealer offers. Make sure they provide timely repair and maintenance services to keep your food truck running smoothly. 5. Regulations. Before you buy a food truck, you need to be aware of the local regulations and licensing requirements. Ensure that your food truck complies with the relevant regulations and obtain the necessary permits. By comparing different options and carefully considering these factors, you'll be able to find the perfect food truck for your business. If you're looking for a high-quality, affordable food truck, then look no further. We are a professional food truck manufacturer with years of experience in the industry. We offer a wide range of food trucks in various sizes and styles to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Our food trucks are built to last, priced competitively, and backed by excellent after-sales service. Follow us today to learn more and take the first step towards your food truck venture.